We can easily access on Mac to another Mac very easily. It may be iMac or MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. It doesn't matter. We can easily access from on Mac to another Mac remotely by using on built-in software. It is called screen sharing app. Before using that software, we need to modify the settings of screen sharing app. So to do this thing, at first we need to click on the settings and the settings window will be opened. From here we have to access general section. I'm going to click general and then it will bring this type of option. We have to scroll till we find sharing and we need to click here and it will be expanded like this. So from here on option is like file sharing media like this way, but we are going to access on computer, I mean on Mac to another Mac remotely, right? So we need to enable this option screen sharing. If you click here it will be enabled, but here we also need to change some other settings. Just click on the eye icon and it will be expanded like this. Now from here we have to configure this option. So I'm going to click this plus icon to create a new user, and here I'm going to choose the new user, this one, FewSteps, and then I'm going to choose the select this button to add this user, and the user will be added. Now we have to press this done button to close the settings. I'm going to click here and then it will be closed. We also need the IP address of this Mac. So to find the IP address, at first we need to click this Wi-Fi. I'm going to click here and the Wi-Fi details will be there. So this is my Wi-Fi which is connected, and here we have to press this details button. I'm going to click these details and very shortly it will bring this menu. We have to scroll down till we find the IP address, and for this MacBook I see the IP address this one. So we just need to note this IP address because I'm going to use this IP address to remotely log in this Mac. So this is 192.168.1.218, and this is the MacBook Air which I told you. I showed you. I configured basically the screen sharing feature, and also I noted the IP address. Now I'm going to jump to my other Mac computer and I'm going to use this IP to remotely access this laptop or this MacBook. Now I am on other Mac computer. This is iMac, and from this Mac I'm going to access that MacBook Air. So at first we need to open the command like spotlight search to find the application. I'm going to hold command key and spacebar key all together, and it will be opened the spotlight search. Here we just need to type screen and we'll see that screenshot application, not screenshot, screen sharing application is there. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will bring this window. So from here we need to add the computer or MacBook which we want to like connect remotely. So there is like this type of details, all connections. So here you will see all the list of the connections. So this is my another Mac which I already connected through this connection. So I'm going to create a new connection. So I'm going to click this plus icon. I'm going once I click here it will bring like this. Now I need to type the IP address. So for my case I showed you the IP address is this one, 218, and if the IP address is correct then we need to type like click the connect button. I'm going to click this connect and very shortly it will try to connect, and here it is asking to use the username and password for that Mac computer which is the MacBook Air computer. So I'm going to type the username is FewSteps and the password I'm going to type here. Once I type the username and password, and if this username and password is correct, we can press this sign in button, and you can also click here to remember the password, but I'm not going to check this box, but if you wish you can do. So just click this sign in and very shortly it will try to connect that computer, this Mac computers. Okay, so here I see this is the MacBook Air computer which I showed you previously to connect, how I connected basically. I mean to configure this thing, and here, and that's it. Now you can actually use this computer, I mean this MacBook Air remotely. So this is my original iMac, and this is the MacBook Air uh, Air laptop basically. So now you can do whatever you want. You can open browser, you can use Safari browser, or you can do everything. And that's it. In this way we can easily access remotely from on Mac to other Mac without using any third-party application or software. You can use just the Apple's built-in software, which is called like screen sharing. And if you want to increase, if you want to make it full screen, you can click here, it will be increased like this way. And that's it. Hopefully by watching this video you will be able to access your Mac computer remotely by using this technique.